Before I was an actor, I was basically, I would say, an engineer. I was an applied math major in college, and with a concentration in computer science, and I spent several years in computer consulting and financial. And I worked on Wall Street for a while, and in management consulting before I became an actor. And I'm sure that was both a combination of sort of genetic, genetic skills that were passed on to me from, my parents, who were probably good at math and things like that. But also sort of the value of that way of thinking, organized thinking, process thinking, that sort of thing. My dad's organizing of his seasonal, maintenance duties in the house. During October we clean the garage or whatever. During March we do this. It's like there were, he had a whole system set up, and so the concept of systems in life is definitely something that's been passed along to me.